Hello, welcome back to Khaki Colored Kidz cooking segment. Today we visited the country of Canada, and since Canada invented basketball, today we went to Riley's birthday party and played a whole bunch of basketball. And I had such an amazing time. I hope you enjoyed watching that. So today we're going to be making a Canadian dish called Poutine, which is like loaded fries. Today I'm going to teach you how to prepare the chicken for poutine. And this is a big chicken breast. You're going to cut it into bite-sized pieces. The Canadian diet consists of fruits, vegetables, bread, wheat, fish, lots of fish, and sometimes chicken and pork. And beef. Their diet came around because of the wilderness and the coldness of they live near woods, so they can grow wheat and they can get fish with very ease. They can get everything they need with just one trip. So they stay close to home. And when it's hot outside, they like to grow fruits and vegetables. I had a fun time at Riley's birthday party. Even though that I didn't get any points, I still worked with the team and I helped my other teammates get points. So I feel accomplished. On the sidelines, my little brother would be like, "Go Braedon, you got this." And it was so cute. Okay, now take these pieces and season. To season some more. Really want it to get seasoned. Then we are going to throw this in the oven at 350 for 40 minutes. And you want to separate them so they don't get stuck together. And we are going to cut tomatoes, onions, peppers over the top of the fries and the chicken. So onion. I need to wash my hands because you want to be safe with raw chicken or any raw material because you can get salmonella. So I'm going to go wash my hands. Green onions, you can go all the way basically to the end of it. When you're cutting it, you're going to get as much as you can out. Now we're going to take this and we're going to put it this side. Measure just for later, so I can put this on top of the dish. But I'm going to go make this dish. I hope you followed along with me, and I hope if you did it that you make this dish yourself because this is going to be amazing. And I'm about to go finish. I hope you enjoy the rest of the show. Bye.